Welcome to today's video, a powerful reminder of how carelessness and overconfidence at construction sites can quickly lead to disaster. Every clip you'll see here is real, and every accident could have been avoided with better judgment, safety training, or basic awareness. We begin with a worker standing under a suspended load without a helmet, casually giving directions. Within seconds, a small object drops from above, grazing his head. It could have been fatal. Never underestimate the danger of working beneath heavy equipment. Next, we see a man walking on narrow scaffold holding hands in his pockets, no harness. One misstep, and he falls 3 meters into a pile of bricks. He survives with injuries. But this shows how overconfidence turns into carelessness. In this clip, a cement truck backs up blindly while workers are chatting behind it. There are no spotters or signals. One worker barely escapes being crushed. A simple communication protocol could have saved lives. Workers are seen lifting a metal beam manually instead of using a crane. They joke and laugh, but suddenly lose balance, dropping it on someone's foot. A broken toe and a painful lesson in teamwork and proper equipment use. A construction lift is overloaded by workers who are in a hurry. As they ascend, the lift jerks and gets stuck mid-air. Panic sets in. Safety limits exist for a reason, and ignoring them puts everyone in danger.
Estourou ali em cima agora, ó. Bora, pega os carros. Bora. Estourou ali em cima e a válvula tá girando. Não, a válvula tá girando, ela fechando e abrindo, rodando. Olha lá. Estourou. Bora. Bora, estourou tudo, ó. Eita, pô. Bora. Estourou. Estourou tudo. Vai. Estourou tudo.
A loucura, isso é loucura.
Here, workers are demolishing a wall without checking its structural importance. They hit a load-bearing beam, causing a partial collapse. Dust and debris fly everywhere. Thankfully, no one is hurt, but this could have ended in tragedy.
Você nunca subiu na vida tanto.
In a warehouse-style build, a worker uses a welding torch to close to flammable material. A sudden spark causes a fire to erupt. Quick action with extinguishers contains it, but again, it's a case of ignoring basic fire safety rules. A worker climbs on a truck to rearrange materials without full protection. A shift in weight causes him to slip and fall directly onto the pavement. His colleagues rush to help, but his injuries could have been prevented with a simple harness. Construction work demands skill, focus, and above all respect for safety protocols. These accidents aren't just bad luck, they're the result of preventable human errors. Let this be a reminder, on a job site, never let your guard down, safety first, always.
Aí, ó. A merda que fizeram aí, ó. A merda que fizeram aí, ó.